Hi, Sweetsview.com is going to take you to the Winslow Volunteer Fire Department Demo Derby today. We're going to bring you a couple frames. We hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy the fun. So, Sweetsview.com is going to take you to the derby. May get a little wet, may get a little muddy. We'll see you there. Hi, welcome to the Demo Derby. We're going to wish one of our favorite drivers here, Sweet Gayheart, good luck in the Demo Derby today. So, come on, we're going to go show you where the cars are at and all that. So, let's head that way.
Fire, go.
Hey, this is Travis McCandless, Winslow Volunteer Fire Chief. We wanted to just thank him for allowing us to come here and check out Sweetsview.com in the Demo Derby. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Earlier you met Squeak. Well, here's his car for the Demo Derby. We're going to show you the back end, and then we'll show you the front.
What, the one that we drove?
That's what it looks like before. Hopefully we'll get it after. Hey, this is John Gayhart's car, one of our buddies. We want to wish him luck in the big Demo Derby today. We hope he has a good time at it. Hey, this is Willie, another driver we know. We also want to wish him good luck in the big Demo Derby today. That's his car behind him. Hey, this is Ray Books, the EMS, one of our friends from Sweetsview. There you go. He's just here to make sure everybody's kept nice and safe. So, way to go, Ray. Thank you.
Here comes DK1 in. Got Jeremy in Origin, car 51. Kevin Gayhart, car 2. DK1, Don Shots. John Gayhart, car 1. Anthony Richardson, RS25. And John Nugent, 18S. That's our first 8 drivers.
I got a little hot, boys.
Car 18S coming in the track. Looks like a good one. Car 51, Mr. Norton coming in. Here comes old John Gayhart, local time boy. John Gayhart coming in the arena. Here comes Squeak Gayhart in. He's a local boy too. Come on in here. Down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let them go, boys. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Let's go. First shot by Gayhart, all right. shot from DK1. Big shot from DK1. Oh my, go there, Dandy, hammer, hammer, hammer. Another big shot from DK1. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh my, hammer, hammer, hammer. German ordnance out, 51's out. Hammer shot, hammer shot. Uh-oh, here it comes. Uh-oh. On a bad dandy. That's the time. Hammer, hammer, hammer. You're on the clock, 18-inch, you're on the clock. Or S25, you're on the clock. Or S25, you're on the clock. Line him up, line him up. Here it comes, oh my, oh my. RS25, 18 inch. You gotta make a hit. You're on the clock. DK1, you got 1 minute. DK1, you got 1 minute. $18, you're out. RS25, you're out. Down to 3. DK1, 10 seconds. Down to 2. Down the gate, Hart boys. That's it, it's over.
All right, congrats to John for winning the Heat 1 at the Winslow Demo Derby. We got to run. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Are you getting it up there? I love Winslow.
Well over 3,000. That's Cammy.
Because what's that 3,000?
Yeah, you did get jumped on. Congrats to Squeak for coming in second to Winslow Demo Derby. He'll get there. We'll see you next time around. Hey, Sweetsview.com. Hope you enjoyed the little demo derby here at Winslow, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Next up in the near future is Winslow Memorial Day Parade for the website. So we will see you then. Bye.